What makes an email campaign stand out to you? A unique design and, well, fresh, valuable content can obviously do wonders, but there's one approach that turns subscribers from passive readers to active participants. And as a result, it makes for a much more memorable and engaging experience. I'm talking about email gamification. Email games turn standard emails into tactile, interactive experiences. And this is where our free scratch card generator enters into the picture. You can create your very own interactive scratch cards to add to your emails in just a few simple, easy steps. There's zero coding needed, and you can actually download it completely free down in the link in the description below. Here is exactly how it works. Step 1, customize. After you've downloaded and unzipped the file, open the HTML file in your browser. Then just enter the image URL for the scratch pattern you'd like to use, or you can of course leave the field blank to use the default pattern. Then enter your prize image URL. This is the image that will be revealed after the card has been scratched. And next, you'll need to enter a landing page URL. Since email providers don't support JavaScript, which we need for the interactive elements, the scratch card will be displayed in the inbox as a clickable static image. This is where the landing page URL comes in. If you use MailerLite, you can simply enter your campaign preview URL and the email will open in the browser when clicked, allowing subscribers to scratch the card. If you use another email service provider, you can add the alternative equivalent or embed the scratch card on a landing page and use this URL instead. And finally, you can also customize the size of the scratch card using the width and height options here. And the fun thing, we also added some advanced options so you can further customize your card and tailor it just to you and your brand, like the border radius, brush size, and more. And now for the next step, generate. When you've customized all the options, check out the preview and give the scratch card a go. And if you're happy with the design, go ahead and hit the generate code button. The generator will instantly create the snippet of code unique to your design. And now, copy the code. This code is universal, so it will work with any email tool. Just add an HTML block to your email and paste the code, and voila, you are done. We've tested this across all major inboxes to ensure it works perfectly on desktop and mobile. You can use it to deliver things like a mystery discount code, or announce a contest winner, or reveal the answers to a trivia question, and so much more. There really is a lot of fun to be had with this, so start gamifying your emails today to give your campaigns an engagement boost. Hit the link to download the generator for free in the description below.